As the 2023 New Year pours in, along with it comes many opportunities to make money this year. So here are 4 side hustles to start in 2023 to earn up to or more than $700 per day. All these side hustles are completely free to start up, and just about anyone could do them. So the first side hustle we'll be talking about today is extremely lucrative and can potentially replace your current job. It's selling low-content books. Low-content books include journals, calendars, coloring books, organizers, and etc. One of the best parts about this side hustle is that you don't have to create physical copies of the books yourself. Amazon KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to publish your books in a digital format like a PDF. Amazon KDP automatically prints it out and ships it to your customer, leaving you with the profits. Speaking of money, you can expect to earn around $1,000 to $5,000 per month. The more books you make, the more money you make. So here's how you can do this. First, choose a niche that you want your book to be in. The most popular niches happen to be in health and wealth. Next, make sure to do market research to see what is selling well in your niche. Business-related journals, project management journals, productivity planners tend to sell really well. Now create your low-content book with BookBolt. BookBolt provides numerous templates to use in your low-content books. You can expect to see a small number of sales within the first week, but it does take time before you start seeing a significant increase in sales. Selling low-content books is a relatively easy side hustle to get into. Side hustle 2 is to start a social media marketing agency, or for short, an SMMA. So what is a social media marketing agency? An SMMA is a creative agency that helps clients to create, execute, and manage successful paid social strategies. With a successful social media marketing agency, you can definitely earn beyond a livable income. SMMAs can make around $1,500 to even $25,000 per month on a single client. That's if you really hustle with this side hustle. Similarly to creating low-content books, starting an SMMA could potentially turn into a full-time job with above average income being produced. If you're interested in starting one, here's how you would do it. You'd first choose a specific niche. It can be in an industry like entertainment or just a social media platform such as Instagram. You want to be specialized in one category so you can develop an audience to whom you'll cater to. Next, you're going to need to figure out what types of services you're going to offer. A few services your social media marketing agency can offer are the following: content publishing, social media management, and paid traffic. Third, learn more about your targeted audience and develop some sort of plan or strategy. Like any business, you want to learn as much as possible about who you're selling to. Develop a persona. Try to figure out their needs, wants, pain points, and hobbies. Then after gathering said information, create your business plan on how you're going to run your SMMA. Now, after dealing with the business plan, start finding clients. Use any platform that you want to find who you think may need your service. LinkedIn, Instagram, you name it. This side hustle is quite literally one of the highest paying side hustles there is. Definitely try this out if you have free time. It's a well-known fact that social media opens many opportunities to make some serious money. So the third side hustle that we'll be talking about is to become an Instagram influencer. Being an Instagram influencer is more than just taking photos of yourself on a trip in Hawaii or something. Some of the most famous influencers like Salt Bae leverage social media to make thousands of dollars per month. There are a couple ways to do this. The first way is through sponsorships. If you have somewhat of a following, companies may reach out to you in hope of you promoting their product or service. Let's say I create an Instagram account with a primary focus being on golf. A golf company like Callaway may reach out to me and ask me to promote their new putter. If I accept, I would make some sort of post of me using the putter in exchange for some cash. It's that simple. Another way to make money is to promote your own business. If you have a beauty business, you create an account centered around your products. The larger the audience, the more likely you'll make sales. The average influencer with 1 to 10,000 followers makes around $3,000 a month. Make note that growing any social media account can be difficult to achieve, and you may not even have an income at first. But similar to the other side hustles I've already mentioned, it takes time and effort to become relatively successful. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to like this video, comment what you think, and subscribe. Alrighty, on to side hustle number 4. I would say that this side hustle is probably my favorite, and it's one of the more high paying. The final side hustle is to start a web design business. The name web design pretty much explains what it entails, which is to create website/pages for those willing to pay for it. If you're interested in web design, the average web designer can make around $23 to $25 per hour, or $50,000 to $55,000 a year. Web designing is a skill that almost anyone can learn, even those under the age 18. To start a web designing, choose a niche. Web design is kinda on a wide spectrum. There's actually just web designing or coding, WordPress or Wix. It's important to understand what specific niche you intend to focus focus on. Then, like social media marketing energy, you need to choose what services you'll be offering. If you want to offer website building, do that. Or if you want to offer website maintenance, just do that. Next, you're going to want to figure out what you're going to charge your clients for your service. For website building, you can charge as much as $7,000 per website. Be aware to only charge based on your ability. If you charge someone $7,000 for a website, you better deliver something high quality. Obviously, there's more that goes into starting a web design business, and I'll be sure to cover more of this in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and to subscribe to see more content like this. Don't hesitate to check out all my other side hustle videos too, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.